Hello, my name is Clay Allen, and the animal that I have chose to conduct this narrative PowerPoint on is the northern pintail. The northern pintail is found under the phylum Chordata, order Anseriformis, and family Anatidae. The scientific name of this species is Anis acuta. In my opinion, as well as the majority of other waterfowl lovers and hunters, the northern pintail is by far one of the most elegant duck species there is. They are known for their delicate appeal on the water and in flight, and the northern pintail is a bucket list species for most hunters. And normally when they are harvested, they end up as wall mounts due to their glamour. The criteria I have chosen to describe the natural history of the pintail is identification, habitat, diet, and conservation status. The picture on the right shows a hen pintail watching over her hatchlings. Northern pintail males have long and slim necks with a chocolate-colored head and a Carolina blue bill. A gleaming white breast stands out, and a portion of this white runs up through the chocolate-brown head and neck. In flight, males flash a green speculum, which is described as the inner wing feathers or secondary feathers. This species is easily identified by a super long tail, also called a sprig, that is seen on breeding males. The top picture on the right shows the green speculum mid-flight, and the bottom portrays the long sprig of a feeding male. Northern pintail females are mottled in brown and whites with an unmarked pale tan face and a dark bill. In flight, females flash a bronzy speculum, which is shown in the bottom photo on the right. The long tail is still prominent in females, but it is nowhere near as long as the bull sprig on breeding males. With duck species, males typically tend to be the more attractive sex due to their beautiful plumage, and this holds especially true with pintails. Northern pintails are typically found in marshes, prairies, fresh ponds, lakes, and salt bays. They summer in a wide variety of habitats including prairies, farmland, the northern tundra, and all of these being near bodies of water. In the winter, they are seen around any shallow waters with exposed mudflats, including fresh and brackish marshes, lakes and flooded fields. Pintails nest in seasoned wetlands, or croplands, or grasslands, wet meadows, and in short-grass prairies. Pintails are dabbling ducks that dabble on the surface of the water and filter out seeds and insects. Their diet mostly consists of plant material in the fall and winter, especially seeds of grasses, sedges, pond weeds, and waste grain in fields. In the spring and summer months, they also feed on new roots and new growth. Their summer diet is mainly composed of insects such as mollusks and crustaceans. In the summer months, they also sometimes will forage upon tadpoles and small fish. Young ducklings eat mostly insects. The pictures on the right show a group of pintails dabbling on the surface and a group bobbing under the surface. Although many surveys have suggested a significant decline since the 1960s, northern pintails are still widespread and abundant. After the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service received complaints from hunters seeing a lot of pintails and only being able to harvest one, the harvest limit of pintails changed to 2 per day in 2017. Thank you for watching this slideshow, and I hope you enjoyed and learned something new about pintails.